Hi, I'm Jennifer, I'm 27 and I'm a self-employed hairdresser. What I've always wanted to change about myself is my nose. It's got a bump in it that I feel is noticeable when I have pictures taken. I don't really like getting pictures taken of me unless I'm the one that's taking them, so that I know that what angle I can get the picture at. Especially when I'm out at social events or family gatherings, it's something I'm always aware of. What I'm hoping to achieve from getting this treatment done, I'm just going to feel so much better about myself and my image. I'm not going to be worrying about what angle I'm getting pictures taken or if anyone's taking pictures but I'm not aware. So all round it's just going to make me feel so much better in myself. I chose this clinic to get the treatment done because my mum had actually came here to have a procedure done and the results were just outstanding. I'd also followed Darren's social media account and the before and after pictures just speak for themselves. Also during my consultation, Darren has been so professional and friendly, and I'm glad that I picked this clinic to get the procedure done. I was a bit nervous. I hadn't had that procedure done before. I've had some other things, but I hadn't had that. And I was surprised as to how quickly it was done. The pain wasn't really anything at all. It was just a wee scratch. Everyone was really reassuring and that helped as well. Darren talked me through everything that he was doing as well. So yeah, it was great. After having the treatment done, I was just blown away with the results. I didn't realise how much it actually bothered me till having it fixed. I just feel so much more confident getting pictures taken, not having to worry about if I'm at a certain angle, are you going to notice the bump? Yeah, it's just made me feel so much more confident in myself. Some of my friends and family have noticed. The ones that I'd told they knew that I was getting it done, they noticed right away and they were just absolutely amazed. The people that didn't notice, they knew there was something different about me but they couldn't put their finger on what it was. And then when I showed them the before picture, they were just like absolutely amazed that I'd had this total change in such a short appointment. But they still all said that I still looked like myself. I didn't look completely different. It just looks so much better and makes me feel better as well and more confident. I would definitely recommend Darren's clinic to anyone who's going to get any sort of procedure done. Everyone's so friendly, so professional, just totally make you feel at ease, talk you through everything that they're going to do. And I think when you're getting something done on your face or anything like that, you want to go somewhere that you know has got a good reputation. So I would definitely say that Darren's clinic is a good place to come to get anything like that done.